Number 1 says to sketch a relative frequency histogram for each distribution of sample data and determine if it is normal or non-normal distribution. So I prefer to do my sketches with graph paper. It helps me be more accurate. If you notice that each of these goes by 1.5. The bins go by 1.5. So
Kaylee Goodman, if you're in the building, could you report to the main lobby? Kaylee Goodman.
this is going to be my X. On my X-axis, this is going to be on my Y. So I'm going to sketch from here to here. So I'm going to let this be 1.5 and this be 3. And I'll just go by 1.5s. This be 4.5, this be 6, and this be 7.5. So every 2 blocks is 1.5. And this is time studied for math in hours. And then on here, this is the relative frequency, right? The percentage of the students who studied in that block, right? So this needs to go all the way up to 0.2. So I'm going to say maybe this is going to be 0.1, and this is, so I'm going to use 4 blocks for 0.1 and 0.2, right? Oh, no, I need to go all the way up to 0.35. So I guess I'll do every 2 blocks. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Okay, so the bin from 0 to 1.5 needs to go all the way up to 0.2. The bin from 1.5 to 3 needs to go up to 0.35. From 3 to 4.5 needs to go to 0.25. 4.5 to 6 goes to 1.15, and then here just to 0.05. Okay, so now that I've done the relative frequency, I need to determine if this is normal or non-normal. And if you look at this, remember normal is symmetric. And this is definitely not symmetric. This is skewing to the right. So more of the students are studying for the lower end of things than the higher end, instead of it being fairly symmetric about the middle. So this is non-normal. So you do B on your own.